Are you struggling with thinning hair or slow growth? What if I told you there's one simple, natural ingredient that could completely transform your hair? That ingredient is castor oil. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to promote thicker, longer, and healthier hair in just a few easy steps. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which boosts blood circulation in your scalp, stimulating hair follicles and encouraging growth. It also contains omega-6 fatty acids that deeply moisturize and strengthen your hair, reducing breakage. And let's not forget its antibacterial and antifungal properties that keep your scalp healthy and dandruff-free, creating the ideal conditions for hair growth. Start by choosing cold-pressed, organic castor oil for the best results. Since castor oil is quite thick, mix it with a lighter oil like coconut oil or argan oil on a 1-to-1 ratio to make it easier to apply and prevent buildup. For an added boost, gently warm the oil mix for a few seconds, just until it's lukewarm. Then, part your hair into sections and use your fingertips or a dropper to apply the oil directly to your scalp. Massage it in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to enhance absorption and improve blood circulation. Don't skip this step. It's key to stimulating those hair follicles. Once your scalp is fully coated, work the remaining oil through the lengths of your hair, focusing on the ends to prevent split ends and breakage. For the best results, leave the oil on for at least an hour, or even overnight if you can. Cover your hair with a shower cap to lock in heat and prevent staining your pillows. When you're ready to wash it out, use a gentle shampoo, possibly washing twice to remove all traces of oil, and follow up with a conditioner to keep your hair soft and moisturized. To see noticeable results, repeat this treatment 1 to 2 times a week. With consistent use, you'll start to notice thicker, shinier, and healthier hair within a few weeks. For even faster results, pair this routine with a diet rich in biotin and zinc, as healthy hair starts from within. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to grow your hair naturally with castor oil. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on natural hair care and overall wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.